welcome to our science session. We have to learn about the first essence of food components. We have learned about that carbohydrates, vitamins, fats and minerals and roughages. What are the uses are there in that, and what are the defaults are there, why we take in the carbohydrates, why we need the vitamins, and why we have to take minerals and proteins and roughage. These are that we have to discuss in the last sessions. And some members only giving through send the worksheets. I have to inform the video. What are that? Don't send anybody. Some members only send the answers through the WhatsApps. Listen children, should send the, again you watch again the last video and send the worksheet through the our group. And this is our, now we have to completion after that first lesson. And what are the questions are there in the back side of that? You should write first to second answers. While you are learning and reading the lesson, you should get the answers, and after that you should send it to the first and second answer through the WhatsApp group. And now we have to go to the acids and bases. Acids and bases. See, do you know that children, in our daily life we have used a lot of minerals, even food. Even our food has a lot of variety food and dishes, varieties, chips, junk food and mineral foods. We have to take it. Different types also have different taste. Yes or no? And different types of also have different taste. Hot, sweet, spice, bitter. This type of different taste. In preparing and storing the food, we take in a lot of care. Yes, we have to, while we are preparing the food, it's taken a lot of time. And that in this chapter we have to try to understand the reasons of some of them. Then the first we have to think about over the following the questions related what we eat. What is that? What we eat? We eat salt food or spicy food, and we eat sweet food and very hot food. How many? Do you find any difference between the sweet and hot and sour and bitter? Do you like eat fruits and vegetables? Yes, we can eat. And in what ways we have to? They have to. We are getting from the plants and animals related food we have to taking. And what kind of tastes of food substance are we are eating? So many different types of food tastes are we are eating. That fruits and vegetables and other foods are some substance have different tastes. Yes, fruits and vegetables have different types of taste. Some fruits are very sweet. Some fruits like orange, lemon, these have sour taste. And some papaya have related some sweetness. Mango also, they have separate taste. Or grapes. And you should write that names of fruits and what are the taste. And you should write the names of vegetables, what are the taste it seems. Maintain a table, okay na? Now we have to go to the lesson now. Look at that board. Once you see the board, you can observe something is there on the board. See, acids and bases. The acid is the substance which are sour taste, have acidic integrants and their solutions are acid. What is that acid? The acid is the substance which are sour taste, have acidic integrants and their solutions are acids. That acids are examples that natural, we have to get natural acids, we have to get different types of taste, no? That examples lemon juice, orange juice, they are contain acid chemical naturals. Acid, that is taste is sour. Example, acidic example citrus fruits like lemon juice, orange, grapes, this belongs to these acids. They are changed, they are same sour taste, they are acids. Next one is the basis, that substance are used to taste whether a substance is acidic or basic. We have to taste. What is the taste? It is the taste we have to find out the acids, and same that basis also called salt. It contains that baking soda. Examples of baking soda is the bitter. It feels soupy. The baking soda is the bitter taste and soupy, feels soupy. The examples of that and acids are examples lemon juice, orange juice. The baking soda, the bases are examples of soap, bleach, washing powder, etc. These are the basis examples. The citrus fruits and lemon juice, orange like grapes are examples of acids, and that it can change in color. Acids and bases change in color whether added to isolation solution containing acid base. That some natural ingredients are that litmus, turmeric, China rose petals. These are the some acids, some different types of acids, natural ingredients. They are litmus, turmeric, China rose. Now we have to learn about the litmus. Natural dye. Litmus is a natural dye. It is obedient from richness. It is obedience from richness. It is a purple color. What it is a litmus is a purple color. In distilled water, we have to add in distilled water, it change into the color. Available in solution and paper strips. Paper strips, that is red in color, blue in color. That acid turn blue litmus, we have taken acid. The blue litmus change into the, it turns into the red. In that basis turns red litmus to blue. Basis turns into red litmus to blue. Okay children, we have to learn about that about now litmus paper. Now we have to natural, another one is the turmeric. It is that generally mixed with the water from a paste which is then put on blotting paper and dried to form thin strips or turmeric paper. It is turmeric paper. That is turmeric is used generally mixed with the paper to form a paste which is then put on blotting or dried paper from the thin strips. Turmeric paper, and the turmeric paper is then put into the order to determine acid or base. It states yellow in acid and turns bright red with the bases. When the turmeric mixed with the bases, it turn into the red in color, reddish color. That third one is the China rose petals. The China rose petals are kept in warm water. That a pure colored solution is obedient. Then in that water, this used to determine acid or bases. It turns acidic soap to dark pink or magnets basic so to green. It is changed into two colors. First one is that warm water, when the petals are put in the warm water, it's changed into the dark pink color. And when we in the bases, change into the soap acid. We put the acid in warm water, it changes the rose petals green color. These are the natural acids changing the colors. For we have that litmus paper and turmeric and the China rose. We have to how they are changing their colors. Now let us do in your home one activity. That is on a page number located in your textbook 10. That is that take some turmeric powder, add a bit of water to it and prepare turmeric paste. We should add water with the some of turmeric. We can with water mixed with that, it will look like a paste. And rub the turmeric paste on white paper. You can rub the white paper, the turmeric paste, and draw a flower on the paper with a pencil. When you white paper you paste in the turmeric totally, and draw in the turmeric paper, draw a flower with a pencil, and color the flower with the soap water using brush. And that flower you should wash. You should use the colors to soap water. With the soap water, use the brush and color the flower. And similarly, take some lime water. Otherwise, you take some lime water, add a few drops in the on piece of turmeric paper. Once you paste the white paper, turmeric paste, and you can draw with a pencil flower. You can add some soap water with coloring the flower. After that, some places they know you should use lemon juice to put in some drops on paper. What will you know? Does the paper change somewhat color? Change into the colors. That is, you have to do the activity at home. What are the changes are there? You should notice, note down, and send with me WhatsApp. And let us do second also. Second activity. First activity, second activity should done, and complete the table. What are the first lesson? First showing after page number 9. Complete the table also, and you should read up to we have to complete in these sessions. You should read the textbooks and compulsory use the activity. Then after you can send the what are the changes are there. Okay na children? Yes. See children, observe the page number 10, table 2. It are some table is there. See, you observe this. In that is indicators, color change observed. The filter paper indicating date using. Color of the indicators paper. Vinegar, apple juice, banana, lemon juice, soap, lime water, glass cleaner, mix of magnesium. We can use these type of materials. What will change us? The turmeric. Which coloring is there? Yellow. The petals of hibiscus, red. Mango leaf, green. That beetroot, pinkish color. The lavender, green color. That is, when that turmeric mixed with that vinegar, what will changes are there, you should note down, and you should write what are the changes are there, what are the colors are, you should now note down. And if you don't know, you send the remarks and doubts through the WhatsApp group. Okay na children? Thank you.